If you have IRS tax debt, the IRS has different types of installment agreements. And this could be for a variety of reasons, not just the 72-month term. Let me give you the breakdown of what it is. First and foremost, they have one called the Guaranteed Installment Agreement. Generally, when you owe under $10,000, they have no reason to reject and they accept your payment plan. Next on up, if you owe under $25,000, they accept a 72-month repayment plan that does not have to be direct debit from a checking account. It could be with mail-in option. Next on up is if you owe between $25,000 to $50,000. Under these conditions, they could still take a 72-month repayment plan, except that it has to be direct debit from a checking account. And generally speaking, owing under $50,000, it falls into what's called the Fresh Start Initiative, where if you pay it back within 72 months, there are no federal tax liens being filed against you. Next on up is called a Non-Streamlined Installment Agreement. This is when you owe over $50,000 to the IRS. The IRS may ask for financials, your income and expenses, to see what is your ability to pay and see if it makes sense for them to accept the payment plan that you propose. Next on up is the Hardship Payment Plan, and that is a payment plan based upon your ability to pay and not necessarily what you owe the IRS. There's also the CSED Installment Agreement, or an installment agreement that stretches all the way to when the IRS is going to write off the balance down to zero. So if you owe for 8 years, they'll stretch out an 8-year payment plan. And one last one is if you're trying to get rid of some federal tax liens, they want you to pay down your balance, whatever you owe, under $25,000, and modify a payment plan that pays them off within 60 months. And under these conditions, they will withdraw the IRS federal tax lien. Man, that's a whole lot of different types of installment agreements. And if you're facing an IRS tax nightmare and want to see what's the best possible way to resolve this, I offer a free case review. Comment IRS tax resolution. My team will reach out and we'll coordinate that free case review. Like and follow.